got to Pakenham and there was a traffic jam.
Hi everybody, my name's Dave, thanks for joining me. And today we're away camping, as I said. Still have a bit of a problem with the car, it keeps cutting out when it gets hot, but apart from that, I think it's a fuel problem. I think it's not getting enough fuel. And when it's having to work hard, which when it's overheating, when it heats up, it seems to cut out. So I reckon it's a fuel issue. I'll resolve it when I get home anyway. Anyway, I went to a campsite and it turned out you couldn't access it. It was across the other side of a river, no road across. So I came up to Woods Point and now I'm somewhere south of Woods Point in some campground, which I'll put on the name on across the bottom in a minute. When you see this video, you'll see the name. I don't know where we are at the moment, but I've got everything set up, my rooftop tent set up. I've still got the rain hood on it, which I can't get off because it's going to take it off a bit difficult, but yeah, it's looking good. I've got the anti-condensation mattress in there, I've got the cooler blowing, I've got a fly, citronella fly thing, get rid of them using that. I'm not on my own here, there is somebody over there, you can just see the car through the trees. There are a few other people further up too. But I'm pretty alone here. I'm right by the side of the river, which runs right past here. There is a track here, crosses the river there, but nobody's come along it yet, and there's another road that goes over the top, which I think is probably the way people want to go, unless they're looking for a campsite. Anyway, this is our first day out. I don't know what I'm going to do tomorrow, I haven't decided yet. But when I find out, when I decide, I might stay here, I might move on. See what happens. Anyway, thanks for joining me, I'll see you tomorrow.